Hello and welcome in my class. Miruli Pathak, Article 22 Safeguards Against Arbitrary Arrest and Detention. Now we are discussing about Article 22, which is basically related with the arrest under ordinary laws and detention under preventive detention laws. Article 22 guaranteed four rights regarding arrest under ordinary laws: right to be informed as soon as maybe ground of arrest, right to consult and to be represented by the lawyer of his own choice, and right to be produced before magistrate within 24 hours of his arrest, excluding the time of journey. No detention beyond 24 hours except by the order of magistrate. Now we are discussing Article 22 subclause 1 and subclause 2. In subclause 1 are two rights, and subclause 2 there are again two rights, then total four rights guaranteed by under Article 22 to the person who is arrested under ordinary laws. And Article 22 subclause 3 deals with the exceptions. The first one is enemy alien, and the second one is the person detained under the preventive detention laws. Now coming to we have earlier discussed subclause 1, 2 and 3 of Article 22. Now coming to the Article 22 subclause 4, 5, 6 and 7, which is basically concerned with the preventive detention laws. Article 22 subclause 4, 5 and 6, 7 provide the procedure which is to be followed if a person is arrested under the preventive detention laws. Preventive detention means detention of a person without trial. The word preventive is used in contradiction to the word punitive. It is not a punitive but a preventive measure. It is a precaution taken by the executive while the object of the punitive detention is to punish a person for having done something. The object of the preventive detention is to intercept him before he does it or to prevent him from doing it. No offense is proved, nor is any charge formulated. The sole justification of such detention is suspicion and reasonable probability of the detainee committing some act likely to cause harm to society or endanger the security of the state, and not criminal conviction which can only be warranted by legal evidence. Thus, preventive detention is a detention of a person where the evidence against him is not sufficient for his conviction by the court, but is sufficient to justify his detention for reasons of defense, foreign affairs, security of state, maintenance of supplies and services essential to the community. Maintenance of supplies and services essential to the community. Clause 4, basically. Now we are talking about clause 4. Article 22, subclause 4. Article 22 clause 4 says that no law providing for preventive detention shall authorize the detention of a person for a longer period than 3 months unless an advisory board consisting of a person who have been or are qualified to be appointed as judges of High Court has reported before expiration of the said period of 3 months that there is in its opinion sufficient cause for such detention, provided that nothing in this subclause shall authorize the detention of any person beyond the maximum period prescribed by any law made by Parliament under subclause B of clause 7. And the second is such person is detained in accordance with the provisions of any law made by Parliament under subclause A and subclause B of clause 7. Clause 5. When a person is detained in pursuance of an order made under any law providing for preventive detention, the authority making the order shall as soon as may be communicate to such person the grounds on which the order has been made and shall afford to him the earliest opportunity of making a representation against the order. Nothing in clause 5 shall require the authority making any such order as is referred to in that clause to disclose facts which such authority considers to be against the public interest to disclose. 22 clause 7. Parliament may by law prescribe the circumstances under which and the class or classes of which in which a person may be detained for a longer period than 3 months under any law providing for preventive detention without obtaining the opinion of her advisor. Parliament may by law prescribe the circumstances under which and the class or classes of cases in which a person may be detained for a longer period than 3 months under any law providing for preventive detention without obtaining the opinion of an advisory board in accordance with the provisions of subclause A of clause 4. The B part of it says the maximum period for which any person may in any class or classes of cases be detained under any law providing for preventive detention.